Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to review some of the jewelry that I got from Amazon. I got some jewelry and I just wanted to share with you to just share my thoughts on how is it, and if you are looking for a jewelry, should you go ahead and buy it from Amazon. I have done another video on Amazon jewelry. I will link it up right here in case you haven't checked it out. Please ensure to watch it. I'm sure it will be helpful to you. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please ensure you do. It means so much to me. And also ensure to hit on the notification button right there so that you never miss any video from my end. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I got 3 pair of earrings and 3 pair of necklaces or chains or pendants, whatever you want to call it. So first we'll look at the earrings and then we'll move on to the neck pieces. So guys, the first thing that I got is from Jewels Galaxy. This is a brand that I have tried earlier as well, as I mentioned in another of the video, and normally their products are extremely good quality, so I wanted to go ahead and buy this one. So this one is a very pretty earrings. This is how they look. So these have a very flowery design on the top, and it has these kind of strands, you know, on the bottom, and at the bottom of these strands, as you'll be able to see, there are beautiful stones everywhere, and they look very beautiful. These are very chic. They look very modern. Now specifically for these kind of earrings, the best part is that you can actually wear them both in the Western wear as well as in the Indian wear. So I really like them. I think there were color options in this one as well, but I really like them. They are so beautiful. The prices and everything will be on the screenshot, but none of the jewelry that I got was more than 300 rupees. So yeah. Okay, so the next pair of earrings that I got is from Yellow Chimes. So this is how the packaging looks like. I have got Yellow Chimes jewelry in the past as well, and then it also comes in a pretty good nice packaging, and this is the pair that I got. This is in turquoise blue. Very beautiful earrings. At the bottom of it, these have, you know, feathers like this thing, and then there are 2 type of stones. One is turquoise green, and then there is a dark green, and then there are, you know, golden color beads all over when you move down. So these look very pretty. These are very beautiful. Again, for this one as well, you can pair them up both with Western wear as well as Indian wear, and that's what I really like, that these kind of earrings are very versatile. So moving on to the next one. So these are kind of a pastel colored earrings. Like the first 2 ones were very bright, so these one are a little subtle, but they look very beautiful. Again, as you can see, it has very beautiful colors. So this has pink, green, maroon, and then golden. So again, these look very chic. So these look very beautiful. Again, very chic, very good quality. Look supremely chic and extremely beautiful. Again, with these ones, you can wear them with Indian as well as Western. Like the chains and everything give them a very Indian look, the Western look, and the pattern on the top in this dangling portion, this gives them very Indian look. So this looks very pretty, and these chains and everything, these are very good quality, very soft. I'm sure when you are going to, you know, look at it or touch it in your hands, you'll be able to see this is extremely beautiful. It's very nice. Okay, so the next piece that I got is this beautiful jewelry set. So this is kind of a it's in a German silver, and then it's very traditional and, you know, silver kind of a jewelry. It's very beautiful, and the color of the thread is very vibrant. So I'm sure if you're going to wear it something with a black or with a white, it's going to make your, you know, overall dress so beautiful. And you can see the quality of the metal or the German silver that has been used here. It's extremely beautiful, very shiny and very beautiful. Now guys, one thing that I want to say about this one is, if you see, this is actually a wool. It's not like a specific thread. ये ऊन का ही धागा है. I'm not really sure कि ये ऐसा धागा क्यों लिया है उन्होंने. I would have imagined this is kind of a thread which is a little bit more long lasting, because ये जो इसमें ज्वेलरी लगी है विच इज दिस मेटल इज प्रिटी हैवी, तो आई एम नॉट श्योर कि ये ऊन इसको कितने टाइम तक रोक पाएगी. एंड एक्चुअली ये ऊन थोड़ी सी टैकी लगती है. लाइक दो दी ओवरऑल द ज्वेलरी लाइक द silver that has been used is extremely nice. The only thing is if you have a thread then you can probably, क्योंकि ये सब इसमें से निकल जाएगा, all of this can be moved. So if you have any thread or some kind of locket that you want to use, you could obviously move all of these into that locket so that ये थोड़ा और अच्छा और elegant लगे. So that's the only thing that I didn't like about this one. And also जो इसके studs के पीछे जो stoppers आते हैं वो बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी के नहीं है. ये ऑलरेडी निकल रहे हैं, अगर आप इनको पहनेंगे तो ये आपके गिर जाएंगे. सो आई एम श्योर कि हम सबके पास कोई ना कोई स्पेयर इयररिंग्स के स्टॉपर्स होते हैं. सो यूज दैट वन, इंश्योर कि आपके ये खो ना जाए. Okay, the next thing that I got is something that I was browsing and I came across. So if you are a Harry Potter fan, you are going to like it, or probably you are going to love it. I just fell in love when I saw these and I was really excited to see ki kaisi quality aayegi and all of that. Now this is a jewelry set and again it is from the brand Yellow Chimes. This is how the first necklace looked like. If you remember the time turner from Harry Potter, then I'm sure you are going to recognize this one. It's such a beautiful piece. I was so intrigued. I loved it so much. It just looks so nice. Obviously, the thing about this necklace is when you wear it, obviously it's not going to rotate because, it's going to lie straight with your dress. But yeah, I was still, very curious about this, and this looks very nice. Like the quality of it is absolutely beautiful. Like the color, the quality of the chain and the locket, everything is very, very, very beautiful. Even, the time turner or, the sand inside, this is actually real. So if you really, turn it, you will be able to see that, that sand is turning, and this is actually like a time turner. So I was really, really, really happy for this one. I really, really, really liked it. The next thing again, from the same set is actually this locket and chain. So again, if you recognize, this is the Deathly Hallows. So I don't know if you follow Harry Potter, but then again I liked it so much. This is very chic, very nice. Again, those kind of minimalistic jewelry that you can always pair up with your shirts or tops which are basic, minimal and all that. So yeah, this was the next one and I really, really liked it. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, hit on the notification button so that you never miss any video from my end. Until we meet the next time, take care. Bye bye.